Baja 1000. We're here in San Felipe, day one of pre-running. We're gonna start off with San Felipe. I would say it'd be definitely one of the hardest sections of the race. We want to get that over with. And day one, it's gonna be a good time. Hopefully, try to be safe, keep it on two wheels, do our homework right. My brother's gonna do his homework right. We got Sergio and Pichitos coming next week. Started doing their pre-running, and then we're gonna move up to Valley T and Ojos, do all the finish, and then we'll go to the coast and do the start. After 3 days, well, 2 days, 2.5 days of pre-running, we're doing some tire changes in the rear. We're mounting on the Baja Designs lights, the double rack lights, and we're gonna do some night pre-running. It's important to kind of replicate race day, so that's what we're gonna do, me and my brother. As soon as it gets dark, we're gonna go out and test these badass lights. What's up, guys? We're out here at Valley T. We're about to pre-run my section from Valley T to 77, and yeah, we're gonna both ride my section and then his section to Ojos, just to be safe, and yeah, it should be good. guys? We're out here at Cámbaro. I just rode from Ojos Negros over to here. Pretty good. It's exactly the same as the 400. It's super dusty, but it's fun. And yeah, I'm about to go over to the coast. A little bit of from here to Herendia, and then Chat is gonna go do his section on the coast side. Yeah, should be good. ¿El Arturo?
Gracias.
Cuando lo vean tiene una piedra. Ponte aquí. Di algo en la cámara. ¿Con quién estamos?
Aquí estamos con el chatito.
Ortiz.
Ortiz.
¿Qué número?
El número
¿Qué número?
11.
¡Oh! ¡11! Muy bien, güey. Quiere más de la No.
Oh, mira, antes de llegar, oye, mira el chatito, ahora loco.
¿Cómo que 11, güey? Es 13. ¡Me equivoqué!
¿13 qué?
13.
¿Pero 13 qué?
X.
Súbete atrás y te agarras de mí y nos vamos todos hasta allá.
No, hombre.
Vamos.
No.
Te agarras fuerte detrás de
Y la primera que salgo volando a la vez.
Que nomás me acelere tantito.
Me andas preguntando que el casco, que es, ¿dónde pues vamos? Para enseñarte la pista y todo.
Yo ya sé, de la pista, ¿verdad, pa?
No, yo no sé nada. Yo no sé bronques, güey.
Yo no sé nada.
Aquí preparando la moto con el chatito que lo va a dar ahorita tramo de noche. Estamos poniéndole las luces.
Here at Honda House, we just finished testing with Brandon from AHM. The bike's working really good. We're really happy with the whole setting and everything, and just can't wait for race day. It's going to be a really good one, and can't thank Bobby from SD Powerhouse as well for doing some final touches on the race bike. And yeah, let's go home to Ensenada and get some rest.
Gracias a todos por venir, a mi mamá, a mi novia, a toda mi familia por estar aquí y apoyarnos y hacer eso posible. Y sí, sin ellos no podría ser posible. Estamos listos para correr y estamos listos para llegar a la meta del viernes en la noche. Y sí, gracias.
ORTIZ track meeting,
race just started. Gave the bike to Alvaro. Now we're going to race mile 115. Let's do this.
What's up, guys? We're at mile 315 waiting for the bike. Pichitos is on the bike right now. We're gonna do a main pit here, so tires, filters, check everything on the bike. I get on from here and then I head over to 415, so around ORTIZ, and from there I head to Saldaña to get on again. That's our day. We're on a good ride right now, riding smooth. Bike is working really good, so we're happy to be out here.
What's up, guys? We're out here at Chinero right now. I just got off the bike not too long ago. I went from Perseguil to mile 605, and yeah, it went good. It was freaking gnarly. It got super rough after all the pre-running, but I maintained the bike, kept it on 2 wheels, made no big mistakes, and yeah, it was smooth. Went pretty fast on the dry leak, and yeah, it was fun. Pichitos is on the bike right now. We just did a main pit, tire switch and filter, and he's going up to Saldaña right now. I just gotta maintain the bike and get to the finish.
Aquí estamos en la milla 720, yo le entregué la moto a Sergito en la 660, vamos en un buen lugar, vamos en cuarto. Mi sección de San Felipe pues la verdad estaba muy técnica y era más que nada manejar smooth y entregar la moto al 100%, ¿no? Y es lo que logramos hacer, ya solo queda terminar y es todo.
Alright, we're here for the final stretch. We're here at kilometer 77, about to take it to the finish. Here with my teammates that did a good job, and 70, 80 more miles to go, and got it right smooth. Alright, so we just finished. What I tell you guys, number one thing, we wanted to just finish and get the bike across the finish line. My teammates did an amazing job. We're here in one piece, and that's all that matters. And now we gotta wait for the official results. We came in fourth physically. We tried our best, but we just gotta wait for tomorrow and hope for the best.
Just want to thank everyone that's out here supporting us, ORTIZ family, my dad, Charuquin, everyone that's out here, just on the bike, logos, everything. You guys make this happen, especially the ORTIZ family. So I'm just happy to be here, especially at the finish line, and well deserved.
Estamos en la meta, en la Baja 1000. Ya acabamos todos sanos y salvos, no lastimamos a nadie. Todo nos fue muy bien, mis compañeros hicieron un buen trabajo. Sacamos la moto en la mañana, nos fuimos todo el día constantes y ya llegamos a la meta y esperar los resultados oficiales y a celebrar.